Okay. Recording.
Yeah, it's Fortnite. I guess. You
Oh,
got
they're
my
climbing
line
the
of
walls. They're
fire
climbing the
again.
walls. They're climbing the walls. Wait, pilot, come over here. Come over here, pilot. Come over here.
No, I got this. Okay, ow.
Run
Yeah,
over
what?
here. Run over here.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I'm out of ammo on literally everything. Do I still have my Glock on me? No, I don't have my Glock.
Don't use anymore.
Huh?
Don't use anymore.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump down there and come out.
Okay. Ow, ow, ow.
One of the big guys is dead.
Okay, good. My body hurts.
Other big boy is dead.
Okay, good.
Oh, okay.
I killed 2 of the Weezers. The Carl Weezers.
We're having another horde. I fell. Round 2 supposed to start.
Oh, Lord.
What's up with you guys?
What?
What's going on with you guys?
Playing the sea scraff.
Yeah, I don't need maggots. I don't know why it just decides that I should have maggots in my inventory.
That's from killing the little tiny guys. I'm gonna kill
Oh.
myself in barbed wire.
Oh, that's nice to know.
I just need better health.
Okay. Well, let's see. It's gonna take a really long time for you to kill yourself on barbed wire, isn't it?
No,
Not? Alright.
I'm at 3 hearts, 2 hearts, 1 heart,
There you go.
0 hearts.
How long is it gonna take us to build that other machine that we need to make rubber? Or what do we need to make rubber again?
It's
been a whole
mainly
12
just
hours and
one.
I can't remember.
Alright, this is how it works. You need the derrick, which
Yeah.
doesn't take that long. Then you
Okay,
need
that's, yeah.
Then you need another distillation tower, which also doesn't take that long. The thing
Okay.
is, you need a lot of iron sheet metal for oil tanks.
Okay, what do we mean? What do we need to make oil tanks?
Oil tanks, iron sheet metal, and treated wood planks, and scaffolding.
Dang.
Actually,
Okay, we have quite a few treated wooden planks, I think, somewhere here.
Yeah, I made some.
Yeah.
Right before I hopped off, I think I made some.
Let me just place some 357 in here and 50 Action Express. We have a lot of 50 Action Express.
Yeah, which we will never use as of right now.
Yeah, because we don't have any we don't have any deagles. And I don't think deagles I would assume would be pretty hard to find in this mod. Just because of how the nature of a deagle being able to basically one-tap most things.
Yeah.
But on the bright side from that raid, I managed to get a lot of 45 ammo, which I actually need.
Ooh, modded out, pistol.
Well, I wouldn't really call it modded out, considering it's just a red dot, but I like the red dot.
Red dot looks nice.
It looks nice. Yeah, it is nice.
Man, there's this one mod called Vic's Modern Warfare. Bro,
Oh, I know that mod. Yeah,
Yeah,
Vic's mod. Yeah.
yeah, that was the best. I'm gonna search it up. Most common Y level for Reddit.
Okay, I'm gonna start the cobblestone mine again because we need more cobblestone.
Okay. I think I marked it on my map before. Yes, I did. Alright. I need your help.
Alright, 10 whole bandages. Yeah,
I need
okay,
your
yeah,
help.
what you need?
We're gonna build a mega machine.
A mega machine.
A really mega machine, a little far from our base. I need
The
you to
most
help.
mega of machines, the most metal of gears.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a big bucket wheel or whatever. We're gonna build an excavator.
Okay, sounds interesting.
This is for bullet automation, by the way.
Oh shit, okay, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it right now.
Alright, remember how I was looking for lead?
Yeah.
I found it.
Oh, nice. By the way, look down into that, like, little ravine down there in the river. And tell me what you notice about the, what's going on down there in the ravine.
Huh.
Wait,
Yes.
look at how many Weezer particles are going on down there.
I think some German stuff is going down there.
They're gassing each other to stay alive. I think they're gassing each other so that they get the resistance effect, so that they can survive drowning.
4 heavy engineering blocks.
Oh wait, I need to take some oil out of this thing. Time to spread the oil even more.
16 sheet metal, 16 scaffolding, 1 redstone engineering block.
Oh, there goes that. Oh, hello.
Alright, pilot.
Yeah.
I need you to give me 9 light engineering blocks and 1 redstone engineering block, and I'm done.
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, just give me a second.
It's really easy.
Hold up.
Let's make a bucket wheel. We need 20
Ow.
steel. I need 20 steel scaffolding as well.
I'm just murdering some guys down here. Don't worry about me.
I'm gonna use 20 of these. Or 14 of these, actually.
Am I in fact? No, I'm flammable. That's what I am. I love this little mess that we made.
Which one? The oil?
Yeah, it's spreading.
Just catches all on fire. You know, I was gonna install replay mod, but I don't know if it crashed the server.
It might, so just don't risk it. I think our oil spill is growing. We're doing a great job for the environment.
Yeah, man, I love trees when I chop them down.
I love it when trees make me money. Oh, by the way, the little mine that I made earlier in our playthrough, it's completely filled with oil now.
Oh.
Yeah, come over here, where I am. Wait, look.
Oh.
Yeah, wait, look, the oil's flowing into the mine. That whole thing is clogged with oil now. Not the oil we need, I wish it was the oil we needed.
It's creatine oil. It's like natural, not non-natural oil or whatever.
God, how I wish it was the oil we needed.
That's what we're.
Hey, don't hit me. Hey. Hey, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Ow. You punched me into the barbed wire, you monkey.
Alright, I still need some more steel wire. Wait, wire? I need steel rods. Not steel wire.
I can make you some rods.
Wait, hold up.
You know how to make rods, right? Yeah.
Oh,
I would
I'm so
hope you
dumb.
know how to make rods.
Yeah, I wasted a lot of steel.
It's fine. I have some more steel if you need it.
I think I might be good.
Okay. I have a bike helmet. Wait, should I just make a chest so that we can put all of like our the random like armor we find on zombies in it?
Yeah. Once we get refined storage, everything's gonna be so much easier.
Okay, boots. Oh wait, that's a pair of army boots that's just sitting there. Okay, bike, army chest plate, high visibility vest, random shit. Let me put the army stuff over here. Life jackets, in case we ever need to recreate the Titanic.
They don't actually do anything.
Oh, they don't?
I don't think they actually do anything.
That sucks. That would be cool if they actually like kept you floating, but that's just lame now that I think of it.
You can make jetpacks though.
How come a biker helmet gives you more gives you the same amount of a normal motorcycle helmet gives you the same amount of armor as a bike helmet, like a cycling helmet. That doesn't really make much sense.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, do you have any like steel scaffolding?
I do not have steel scaffolding, but I can make some for you.
No, I'm good. I just thought.
Actually, wait, hold up. Let me check my backpack. Yeah, I don't have any steel scaffolding. I don't.
Alright, I'm just gonna make 2 steel rods then.
Oh, my foot is broken. No wonder I'm moving slow. My foot is actually broken. No wonder.
I'm relatively fine. I think I'm a tiny bit hungry.
Oh. Just make sure you're not infected.
I'm not infected.
Okay,
I
good.
just turned infected and like right in front of you.
Oh, one of the pregnants are still alive down here.
He might spit at us through the base.
I'm just gonna stay away from him. He hasn't been bothering us much, so just let him live. Let it be.
Alright, so now we need some steel sheet metal, and then we can go
How is this thing in an ice box, but everything inside of it is 70 degrees Fahrenheit?
Which one? This? Oh yeah, I have no clue. But by the way,
That doesn't really make much sense.
in the wasteland, it's gonna be really, really hot.
Oh, so we're gonna need those ice packs.
Yeah, that's why I made them.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna make a lot of sheet metal.
Oh shoot, okay, I spilled some Creote oil. Oh god.
Where?
I spilled it and I accidentally got rid of some of the crops that we were
Just collect
farming.
the seeds and replant them.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Oh, I think I just got rid of them. It didn't give any seeds back.
Oh man.
It's fine though. We have quite a few seeds. Yeah,
Oh.
especially hemp seeds. We don't really need to worry about the hemp. I would actually like to get rid of some of our hemp seeds.
I hate that when you do manual labor, it takes down so much of your water.
Huh. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, that does. Yeah, I hate that too.
Like, where are the slaves in Minecraft, bro? Where's the slaves when I need them?
Yeah, where are they?
That's all of that.
Wait, is this thing literally just like fingering the... What is this? Fingering 9mm casings. Wait, you made 9mm casings?
Yeah,
Can I make them into bullets?
dude, that's what we're trying to do. We need lead.
Let me make them into bullets. Hold up. Let me make this into a bullet.
Dude,
I think I know how to make it.
Yeah, no, you can't.
Why?
You need lead.
Aw.
That's what I've been trying to do the whole time.
Oh, okay. How do we get... Oh, lead nugget. And we get lead by, Get a raw lead. And how do we get raw lead?
By making the excavator, which I said.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's why we're doing it.
Let's go make the excavator then. Come on.
Do you have redstone, blocks? Redstone engineering blocks? Oh, wait.
Yeah, here you go. Here's some.
You gave it to me. Do you have light engineering?
I can craft some. I don't have any on me, I don't think.
Yeah, craft
Or wait, I have one.
one. Yippee! I need how much? Excavator. 9.
How much do you need?
9.
9? Okay, I can make some. Hold up.
And then
Light engineering. Light engineering block. Okay, so it needs iron. Oh, so you need 9? Oh shit, that means I have to. Okay, that's fine. Okay, iron, sheet metal. Okay, we need more iron.
iron.
Oh wait, actually
iron
wait,
sheet
I can
metal?
make some
Wait,
sheet metal.
I have tons of those.
Iron sheet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Okay, yeah, I just made some more for no reason then. Or wait, actually, wait, no, I think I needed to craft the thing. Okay, yeah, wait, can you give me some copper?
Copper.
Yeah, I need some copper.
My bag. Oh, there might be. Actually, wait, no.
Yeah, there's no copper in these chests.
Got some.
Okay, thank you.
I'll just give you all of it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let me just take a swig of vodka before I start making this.
Okay, bro.
Alright, now I'm nauseated and I'm trying to craft.
I wish we can like disassemble the bullets and get the lead out of them.
That would be cool. I need more steel.
How much?
Or iron.
Iron.
Not steel.
How much?
Yeah. A lot. As much as you can get me. Thank you. Oh wow, that's a lot. Okay, yeah.
That was from the banks.
Oh good. Alright. Throw bottles at people.
That's your bottle.
I know. I just find it funny that I can throw bottles at people.
You're actually a semi-good
Be a
fighter.
public enemy. Why you're just doing backflips on the what? Why are you doing some backflips?
What, man? Acrobatics.
I guess that is important. Wait, and then I make it wait like this. Iron mechanical component, and then I need to assemble it like
Server's
this.
lagging.
What?
Server's lagging.
Oh, yeah, I could tell. Oh, there we go. Okay, here's some light engine. Wait, tell me how much more do you need after this?
I just need 8. Did you give
Okay,
it?
so I only need to make one more batch. All right.
Oh yeah,
That's
I need what? No, wait, hold up. I need 3 more.
Okay. 3 more. Okay, that's good. Make some sheets.
I'm gonna take your sheet.
And then I just have to do like that, and then we can have ourselves some. There we go. All right, here we go. There's the last light engineering blocks. That's the last ones you need.
Hold up, we gotta hook these up.
They just fall. Okay.
Oh, pregnant. The pregnant is at our front door.
Oh, that's not good. What should I?
Last chance to look at me, Hector.
Alright, I'm gonna sit on the couch. It's been a while since I've taken a seat.
I think we should kill the zombies outside and go to bed.
Okay. That's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the neck, but yeah, let's do it.
Nah.
Should I try and leave and rejoin to get my parkour mod back once we go exploring again?
There's a specific button to enable parkour.
What button? Oh, I'll just look at it.
Yeah.
Options, controls, keybinds. Enable, would it be under enable? Or what would it be? Gameplay,
Search
inventory,
up parkour.
creative.
Search up parkour.
Parkour? It didn't show up.
Nothing on enabling parkour.
Open backpack, sort backpack. Good show. No, nothing.
Oh.
Carry on, create.
Turning day out of the way.
Okay. Chat peak. And what mod is it under?
Parkour.
Okay.
I'll type in chat.
Mr. Crayfish's gun mod Oculus. Wait, what is the Oculus? I thought it. Oh,
VR.
parkour. Okay, there we go.
I think Oculus is the lag fixer.
Quick turn, open settings. Oh wait, F9. Okay.
Killed the pregnant.
Infinite stamina. This needs a permission from server even if on a single player's game. Use hanger instead. Enable double tap for dodge. Enable camera animation. Enable wall roll jump. Enable roll creative. Vault needs key pressed. Oh my god, Siri, shut up. Enable animation. Enable falling. I don't know what any of this does, but hide HUD if stamina infinite. Okay, there we go. Okay, I fixed it. There we go. I just need to double tap it whenever I join to make sure that it's active. That's good to know. Oh, and hey, we have a bucket of oil again, by the way. I'm gonna spread it. Oh god, okay, there.
Back.
Why does it... What the hell? Whatever.
Um.
Okay, yeah, I accidentally got another oil spill. We're BP again.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do, alright? We gotta set up a temporary base.
Of operations? Ooh, okay.
Like a base a little bit far away from here.
A base of operations. Alright, yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we're good.
Alright, we can try to make, glowstone.
Okay.
If you're asking how, it's very simple. You can make...
Yeah, I've seen how you make glowstone. It's a golden, like, it's like you mix gold and silver, and then you get another one thing, and then you make that into, like, the materials needed for, like, light, or, like, a glowstone dust, or something like that.
No, we're gonna do it a little different. More easier way.
Okay. If it's easier, I literally don't care what we have to do. I don't care if we have to, like, enslave villagers.
Alright,
I really don't, as long as... Oh, you can't pick it. Okay.
make a potion of night vision and a potion of healing. That's it.
Potion of night vision and healing.
Yep, and then we're gonna create a little fluid item drain, but we can do that later. I think I can watch a tutorial on how to build it, but for now, we need to set up a little perimeter around this spot. Around a spot. I'll tell you where the spot is. Are we ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Alright, follow me. I have it waypointed.
Oh, shoot. Hello, okay. I'm glad my parkour mod, I know how to turn on my parkour mod now. So I can actually do stuff.
It's 200 meters away.
Okay. Oh, I'm so glad I'm learning new skills. Oh, yeah.
Very nice in the middle of running. What I want eventually is to be able to make an underground tunnel over to this place. Alright, this is where...
I can just see myself doing, like, the Naruto run.
Hold up, let me make sure
When I'm doing this.
Make sure this
Right here?
Yeah, let me make sure.
It's off the highway, so that's nice.
Hold up, too close. Too close. Hold up, let me see. Over here. Galena vein. Yep. Alright, this is Galena. Set up a perimeter around, just around here, like a circle. Like a huge circle.
Oh, okay. Let me start cutting down some trees to get wood. Oh, we can't. Oh, wait, what the hell? Okay, oh! Jesus, alright.
Yeah, that does that.
Well, there goes my axe.
Let's make another one here. You can make a steel
Okay,
one.
yeah.
Make a steel one.
Dad, there goes my axe. I'm gonna have to make a crafting table. Okay, wait, hold up. And then I throw that away. Wait, we can use that to burn. We can use that. Oh my god, it took away, like, almost all of my, It took away almost all of my, what do you call it? Hunger and stamina. And water points. I like how that tree was probably here for generations, and then now I just cut it down.
I just got one-shotted.
There we go.
Alright.
I think one of them dropped money for you.
Let me bridge up so I can get a YouTube tutorial side by side.
Okay. Oh, I think this guy's racist. He's going after you and you only.
Alright,
I have a hope.
YouTube tutorial.
Wait, I need treated. Don't I need treated planks to make treated sticks so that I can actually make a steel one?
Don't think so. If
I don't
if
think.
not,
Yeah, I think you do. I think you need treated ones to make a steel.
if not, then I think
Yeah, you do. You need treated
Mm.
sticks.
I don't. I only have a treated slab.
I can go back to the house and make some.
Nah. I need protection.
Okay. Okay, I'll start making a perimeter
Alright, how to build
for us.
excavator. So, by the way, we're building two structures.
Okay.
Two parts of the excavator. Excavator part 1 and excavator part 2.
Alright, there we go. Setting up more perimeter. Stop trying to get my friend, buddy. You can't do that. That's not nice. Stop trying to kill my friend.
Alright, I need a 3x3. This is a good area.
Huh?
I said I needed a 3x3 area. This is a great area.
Okay.
I have an engineer's hammer, right? Yo, if I forgot. Okay, I was about to say.
No, I have an engineer hammer. I have an engineering hammer if you need it.
Okay.
Ow. That guy slapped me. I don't like that. I can protect you. Hold up. Get off of him.
Get off of my Tuki.
Get off of his ass.
Hey, maybe you could stay on.
Okay. Well, I think me chopping down that tree covered our wood requirements for the next like year.
I think it might have.
Wait, if you look straight down and you don't have any movement when you land and you press R, it completely negates fall damage and it doesn't put you into a roll.
I know, that's what I do.
Oh, there's some coal. I'm gonna mine the coal down here in this cave. Oh god. Ow. Okay, ow. Why are so many of you coming into this cave? Not one at a time, one at a time.
Why not ladies?
Yeah, exactly. Get up.
I need some help.
This is a zombie villager.
I might need some
There were-
assistance. I can't really build without getting attacked now.
Yeah, I'm trying to just like gather. I know we're low on coal back at base, so I'm trying to get coal. Can you not? They just show up out of nowhere and just like try and attack you. I'm glad I'm getting this coal because we really, really need coal back at base, and I want to make more steel with this shit.
You can do that.
Wait, K, skill tree. Ah, yes, alright. I have a lot of melee now. Defense. Ooh, yes. Armor bonus. Armor bonus. Let's go.
Alright, finished
And I have movement bonuses as well.
finished perimeter.
Good. Well, I upgraded like one thing in every tree, or even two things in every tree for most of them. I'm exploring this cave down here. I'm trying to maybe find us some resources. I just killed 2 bats with 1 swipe. I'm gonna take this copper. Imagine how funny it would be if it was a horde night for me and I'm just like down here.
And we have walls. I'm gonna build that later, actually. I'm gonna build that after.
I'm glad I'm such a helpful little spelunker. And I'm just down here mining as many ores as I can.
Um,
Okay, that's the end of the cave, so I'm gonna head back up to the surface. So I can actually guard you now.
no, I don't need guarding. And the zombies are getting in.
Oh, okay then.
I finished.
I'll still head back up with you.
I finished the walls.
You're gonna build a wall. It's gonna be a great big wall.
Ain't no way, bro's playing against Trump.
It's gonna keep out all the dirty little people that are trying to ruin our economy.
Isn't that how Hitler thought?
I don't. I mean, if you want to compare it like that, sure, go ahead.
And sheet metal.
I mean, at least in Trump's case, at least it's not people that are. Oh, what was that?
Diggy diggy hole.
Ah, yeah. Okay, we gotta play that song now. Hold up. I'm gonna turn on that song.
No.
Dude, look at General. Look at General Meme Force 1, bro. Oh my god.
Hold up.
So that's where all the hot POD chants are. I surrender. And then Neo responded, not the gay horny recruits. I'm gonna play the song now.
Hi, bro. Fuck it.
no matter what armor you have.
He intoxicated me. It might have been better if I just built the outside before I built the inside.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's whatever.
You have the protection of the NCR on your side. And the protection. Wait, look at me. You have the protection of the NCR on your side.
Thank you. You're gonna kill me.
Yeah, I'm totally not forcing you to build this thing so that we can make oil.
I am so confused by this though. I don't know why it's not building.
This looks so dumb. It's just an NCR ranger that's already wearing armor, but he's wearing more armor on top of it, and he's forcing you to make an oil generator.
It's not an oil generator.
Or whatever the hell this is. It'll help us get oil, alright? It'll help the NCR win against their battle against the Legion.
This will also collect us, not only... I think it'll collect any ores in the area, so it might collect iron too.
Oh, that's nice. That's good. And I'm glad I can just sit here and just watch and, I guess, help protect you in case there is any threats.
In case.
Yeah, there's not even really a big chance that there are going to be any threats to you, but I'm just here to help out. Ow. One of these guys hit me off of the wall. Am I in fact? No, I'm just hungry. Oh, and I broke my foot, but I don't have the slowness effect. Oh, and my head is very low health. I need to get that up. I might just start mining in that cave. Maybe explore if it has any more stuff. Excavator. So, obviously I'm not very I'm not very well acquainted with this mod. What does the excavator necessarily... Oh, okay, my dad's calling me. I might need to go.
I'll still finish this.
I have to go on a walk, but I'll be back later.